expensive, you know.
Chicken truck turn over. People
Grab
grab
some
up
chicken,
bare
uncle. Yeah, everybody are run with chicken, you know. And I grab
Yo,
something, you know.
Jamaican people are normal, you know.
Baby.
Can't bother with you. This a past drama. Everybody grab a chicken. Grab a bag for me too.
Grab one for me.
Grab a bag for me too. Me I gotta sell chicken.
Somebody tell me 3 bags.
Oh, you mean? Grab a chicken then before it burn up. Chicken a give away. Happy November. Thanksgiving come early in Jamaica.
Me can't go for one bread. You can't go for one.
Honey man, you can't want for money man.
Next time you go run and me go be.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, this is breaking news. Breaking news. A truck, a CB chicken truck just turned over at Portmore. And as you can see in the clippings, people are run for chicken. You see me? People just grab beer chicken and all these things. Me don't know if nobody get hurt. I guess later on, me can tell you if nobody get hurt when me do an update. You see me? Depending on how the thing go. But people, let me know one thing. Because right now the truck up on fire. And no one seems to care. Set the truck up on fire and them don't know say yo the truck can just explode. You see me? Right now them things are very, very, very dangerous and people all them I think about are just to grab a bag of chicken for go home go sell. So my question is Jamaica that hard? So one truck turn over and people are risk them life for just a bag of chicken? People, want to tell me in the comment section. Cause what me notice, you see nowadays nobody no business about nobody life. Nobody no business about nobody life. If one truck crash, if one car crash, anything at all crash, before you think about to help the person, the first thing you say, what you can get for yourself. The first thing you choose to do is take out your phone and go in at the camera option, go in at the camera app and start record. And after you're done record, say you record one 10 second, 15 second, 20 second video, it not done there so. You have to upload it on Facebook, Instagram or all of the social media site them. Send it on your WhatsApp and all these things before you go help the person. Them thing are right. And not only Jamaica them thing are going. Me see them thing are going a foreign too. It's like there's no humanity again. There's nobody where if you go say yo, stretch one hand and try to help somebody. So as you can see right now, the truck they on fire and all people are think about, all them are worry about is a bag of chicken. All them are worry about is a bag of chicken and the truck they on fire. Remember, in them, me see them thing in a movie, even though you know it's a movie fake and all these things, but it can happen. The truck have diesel oil and the whole of the truck head, the front of the truck they on fire. So most likely a truck like that have a full tank or half tank of fuel because them big company they don't allow them truck, them don't allow them vehicle to go below half tank. You see me? So at any given time now, it can just explode. It can just explode. Why? I don't know, star. I don't know. But people, me now go stay along on the video here. Wanna tell me in the comment section what you think. And if you don't have any more info on what really took place, on what really happened, don't hesitate. Share it in the comment section. Because as me say, somebody just send me the video and say yo, this just go on X, Y, and Z. I'm gonna do some investigation for myself to see if it's a old video. It's not a old video, it's fresh. That's why I say breaking news. So if you have any more information on what go on, just share it in the comment section below. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy and thanks for watching this video. I saw we do videos like these. You know some more time I talk about music stuff, but sometimes you have to get a reality check. You see me? And just pre-life and talk about some other different things. You see me? So I hope you like this video. Click the share button. Comment as I tell you before. Click the like button. And if for the first time you watch the Chaddy Murray channel, the Chaddy Murray TV, don't afraid man, just hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. You see me? And you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. I'm out.
Can't bother with you. This a past drama. Everybody grab a chicken. Grab a bag for me too.
Grab one for me.
Grab a bag for me too. Me I gotta sell chicken.
Somebody tell me 3 bags.
Oh, you mean? Grab a chicken then before it burn up. Chicken a give away. Happy November. Thanksgiving come early in Jamaica.
Me can't go for one good. You can't beg on no one.
Money man, you can't want for money man.
Next time you go run on me, go